with chemical particles from the air and the ground. A special organ in the heart react to the scents. It helps the snake to trail its prey. So today we have completed our reading of chapter number 3, life function. Now move towards short question answer. Question number 1 is, what is one important thing that plants do but animals cannot? The answer is, plants can make their own food. Question number 2 is, why do animals move from one place to another place? The answer is, animals move from one place to another to find food, water, or to avoid danger. What does a mosquito feed? How does a mosquito feed? Question number 3 is, answer is, a mosquito feed through a sharp needle-like mouth part. Question number 4 is, give an example of a plant that does not make food by photosynthesis. The answer is, and how does it get energy? Some plants don't make their own food. They can be carnivores. Example are the pitcher plant or parasites, Rafflesia, or decomposes mushrooms. Question number 5 is, why do animals need to be able to sense danger? Animals have keen senses that help them avoid predators or locate prey. It is thought that these senses might also help them detect pending disaster. What are the antennae? Which animals have them and what are they used for? Antennae, sometimes referred to as feelers, are paired appendages used for sensing. In arthropod, many crustaceans have free swimming larvae that use their antennae. The last short question is, explain how animal movement are different from that of the plants. The majority of the animals usually move their whole body, often supported by specialized organs such as the fin, wings, and lungs. Plant movement is not locomotory and also does not generally involve moving the whole body. You have to write these questions on your neat copy. Your today diary is unit 3 reading plus short question answers. Do this question on your copy. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. Allah Hafiz. This is a picture of the caterpillar and they are the spirals on the body, which is also known as the network of the air. To the different part of the body take in oxygen, give out the carbon dioxide. Fish. Look at this fish. Fish breathe with the help of its gills. This is the gills of the fish, and fish is breathing with the help of the gills. Water contains dissolved gases. Fish, prawn, crabs, and tadpole breathe through the gills. The gill water in the throat mouth, which passes out through the oxygen, is absorbed in blood in the gills. Fish have nostrils, but they don't use them to breathe with, they use them to smell with. Now move toward the plant. Different plant have stomata. Look at this. Different plant have stomata like holes, and plant breathe with the help of these stomata. These tiny holes are known as the stomata. Air and water can pass through these holes. Animals such as the earthworm, frog breathe through the moist surface when they are in water. Move toward next page, that is about the waste. As you know, when a living thing take in food, some of the food is needed by the body. This is passed out as a waste. Waste can be solid or the fluid. Some gases are also needed by the body. For example, humans don't need the carbon dioxide in the air. They exit it or waste it. Rather, the process in which the body remove waste from the blood, tissues, and organs is known as excretion. What are the sensitivities? Sensitivity is a process in which animal, plants, and human use their senses to touch, to eat, to listen, to hear, to see. Many animals have the same sense as a human. They have a sense to smell, see, ear to hear, with a tongue to taste with, and a skin which feel the things around. Some creatures feel or sense through the body part. Insects have the feeler antennae which they can sense the environment around. The flies fly